Hello, maths lovers. Today we're going to be focusing on fractions multiplication. So, before we dive into fractions multiplication, you must be aware of what is a fraction, isn't it? And I'm pretty sure that you must know about it, right? Still, I'm just going to mention something. Fraction is nothing but a part of whole. Let's understand with an example. So, for example, you like pizza. I hope you love pizza because I do. Pizza's gonna have like 8 slices, for example. And if you take away 3 slices, so if you want to mention that how many slices you have taken, you write it like this. And I'm pretty sure you must be aware of numerator and denominator, isn't it? Okay, let's start with the question, like how to do the multiplication of two fractions. Yes? Okay. So, for example, if I have a fraction 1 over 2 times 1 over 4. So the very first step we have with us is to multiply the numerator. So 1 times 1 is 1. Yes? After that, 2 times 4. What is it? Of course, it's 8. So the answer we have with us is 1 over 8. Yes. Okay. Now, I have a small question for you. You can see this picture below. It has 2 over 3. Yes, and it's consistently repeating 4 times. How would you do this question? Try to do it, and let's meet in the next session.